Getting seam sealer to look professional is tough. So today we're going to take a look at a few things that can help. On the back of this it says remove any excess sealant with mineral spirits, so we're going to use that to help us smooth it out. And it's about a 1/4 inch bead. And this AC Delco stuff dries pretty fast. And you don't want too much. And this time we'll use a smaller brush. See if we can't get it even better. And I'm pressing down a little bit to squeeze it in there. And the mineral spirits helps so that the brush slides easier on there. These brushes are really cheap, from a dollar store, maybe $1 or $2. When I'm done, I just toss the brushes. If you're interested, this is the seam sealer I use, and I really like it. It dries fast, and it's easy to work with. After it dries, you can prime and paint it. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on applying seam sealer. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.